How to calculate ranks in Excel. Let's see with an example. Here we have students data, we have student name percentage, and here we want to calculate ranks using these three functions. So if we talk about RANK.AVG, so for number I will select percentage, that is written in this cell, and for ref I will select this entire range and fix it. So it means that I want to calculate the rank of the selected number, which is in C3 or selected percentage, with respect to all the percentages here. So let us do it. So being the maximum percentage, the rank is 1 here. Let us copy it down, and we have all the ranks. Henry has the second rank. Henry stood second in the class. So this calculates all the ranks for all the students. Similarly for RANK.EQ, let us see what happens. Again, select the number for which you want to calculate the rank, and for ref select this entire range and fix it. Double click and you get the same results. Now let us do with the rank function. If I talk about this rank, well, the rank function is available for compatibility with Excel 2007 and earlier. So let's see how it works. Again, select the number and then the reference, fix it, and double click to get the ranks for all the students. So here you can see that all the ranks are same using all these three functions. So where's the difference? Let us say we have some same percentages. Now here is the difference. So basically RANK.EQ and rank are same. They will return the same results. RANK.AVG is different, right? So how does it work? Let me undo it once and let us sort it by ranks first. Now let me change the percentages and make them same for few students. So had it been normal sequence of ranks, it would have been 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in these places, right? So what does it mean? RANK.AVG displays the average, basically average of these numbers. Let me show you. So this is what is being displayed using RANK.AVG, whereas RANK.EQ functions or rank function displays the top rank. Let me show you the description here. If more than one value has the same rank, the average rank is returned, right? So this is for RANK.AVG. If we talk about RANK.EQ, it says if more than one value has the same rank, the top rank of that set of values is returned. Top rank means this value, right? So similar is the case with rank function. So this is how you calculate ranks in Excel. If you found this video useful, please like and share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.